If you want to start and stop submersible starter from another place, so this wiring is known as remote control wiring. So in this video we are going to learn the submersible starter remote control wiring practically. So let's start video. In normal condition, when you press the start push button, so starter will start, and when you press the stop push button, so starter will stop. Okay, and when starter is in a start condition, so also start indicator is blink, which indicate our starter is in a start condition. So this wiring is known as local wiring of submersible starter. For remote control wiring of a starter, we connect one start push button, stop push button, and also we connect one indicator. So this wiring is known as remote control wiring. Okay, by which we can start and stop our starter from other place. Okay, if you understand basic concept of this wiring, so you can do same wiring for any model of submersible starter which you have. Now first understand indicator wiring. In indicator just need to connect a line and neutral. Okay, when starter is in start condition, so indicator is glow. Okay, so when this indicator glow, so also remote indicator should glow. Okay, so in this indicator line wire connected here and neutral wire connected here, so just do parallel connection for remote control indicator. Okay, so for parallel connection, we connect one connector from indicator one terminal and connect to the neutral terminal of local indicator. So neutral connects here, and for line, okay, when this indicator glows, so also this indicator should glow. So we connect line wire here and connect this line wire to same local indicator line terminal. When this indicator glow, also this indicator will glow. So indicator wiring should do in parallel connection. Okay, so both indicator will glow at the same time. Okay, let's see start push button wiring in submersible starter. Two NO element connected with the start push button. First NO element for start and stop motor starter. Okay, and second NO element is connected for starting capacitor. Okay, this element for starting capacitor. When you press start push button, so starting capacitor is on. When we stop pressing start push button, so starting capacitor will cut off. Okay, so in start push button in general, two NO element is connected. Okay, so just need to connect to two NO element in remote control push button. Okay, so in this start push button, we just need to connect to two NO element, same NO element, and connect one connector from input of this start push button and connect to the start of this two push button NO element. Okay, and this NO element just need to connect to two NO element, just loop both NO element here. Okay, loop two NO element. Now understand, when we press start push button, okay, when you press this start push button, just loop here. So first start push button NO element connect here. Okay, connect to the here. Okay, so both NO element is connected in parallel. Also for second NO element output, connect to the second NO element of remote control push button. So both NO element output connect to the local push button to remote push button. So both NO element output just loop parallelly. Okay, I hope you clear the concept of start push button wiring of two NO element. Okay, when you press start push button, so starting capacitor is in on condition. When we release this push button, so starting capacitor will cut off. Okay, I hope you clear the concept of start push button wiring. Now let's see stop push button wiring. In a stop push button, NC element is in general connect. So stop push button wiring should not done in parallel mode. Okay, now it's most important from where we need to take supply for stop push button. So first place is here, just remove this connector. Okay, first place you can remove this connector and do wiring as we show, and second place is remove this connector from coil of starter. Okay, just find this connector and first remove this connector. We doing wiring from this place. Okay, just remove this connector from contactor coil. You can do same wiring for removing this connector. Okay, you just we remove connector from coil and connect one wire and connect to the stop push button, in which we connect a NC element. Okay, so supply comes here and it goes from stop push button because it's a NC element. So output of this connector connect to the starter coil. Okay, so in normal condition supply pass here, and when you press this push button, stop push button, so starter will stop. Okay, so just remove one connector from contactor coil and do series connection with stop push button. I hope you clear the concept of local wiring and remote wiring of submersible starter. You can start and stop your starter from remote control wiring. Okay, you can start from local mode, also in remote mode, and you can stop also in local mode and remote mode. I hope you clear the concept. If you like this video, please press like button. If you have any query, please ask in comments box. For today's enough. We'll meet in next video. Thanks for watching.